Hi, my name is Andrew Kinney. I'm an attorney practicing Social Security disability law and supplemental security income law at Hoglund Law Offices. Today in this video I wanted to explain a broad topic, a very difficult topic, but one that requires discussion. Today I wanted to talk about how you handle homelessness during the application process, and actually all the way through. Homelessness is an issue that essentially, for whatever reason, makes someone hard to get a hold of. And we have a lot of clients, or at least a fair number of clients, that have difficulty, for obvious reasons, being able to maintain a residence or finding somewhere else to stay. One of the elements of homelessness that I'm addressing here is if there's mental illness or physical illness that's caused homelessness and there's nowhere else to go. What's very important, if at all possible, is to work with the county, particularly a caseworker. Caseworkers can know where shelters are, they can know where other places where someone can stay, perhaps for longer term. This video addresses not only if for some reason you're able to be seeing this video and know that you may have difficulty maintaining where you live, but also if you have a family member with this problem that might have a medical problem and needs to apply for Social Security or already has, but also this is for caseworkers in general. So I would say this, it is very important to get an application in for Social Security. There is no spontaneous application that happens. If it's very clear, for instance, if someone has paranoid schizophrenia, it's very clear that someone may need Social Security benefits, but until that application is submitted, Social Security won't necessarily know where they are. There have been some initiatives in the past to try to find out and seek out people that have difficulties with homelessness, with mental illness or physical illness, but those initiatives you can't rely on. What is very important, again, though, is if you know someone that needs help, or if you need help medically, make sure to treat with a doctor and make sure to get regular medical care. That's easier said than done depending on the state you're in. But if you don't treat for something and don't have medications, again using the example of schizophrenia or perhaps depression, if you don't regularly treat, there won't be enough proof generally to prove that you have the disability. Social Security looks at medical records, and if someone is homeless, understandably they're going to have difficulty getting to doctor's appointments, let alone even knowing when they're going to have their next food. So work with a caseworker and make sure the caseworker is helping coordinate where you are. If you have a law office helping you, which we're very happy to help, if you have a law office helping you, it's very important to give us contact information where other family members are, even if they're out of state. It may be that they know where you are. The last thing that we like is when someone has applied and we can't find them and we know why, and it's basically heart-wrenching. So make sure that there's multiple contact sources for you or for the person that you're helping. So with regular medical care and an attorney's office doing appeals for you, even if we can't find you, we do what's called a protective appeal. It's not ideal, but in the short span of time where there's an appeal necessary, we may go online and appeal for you just to keep your case going, and we will continue trying to reconnect with you if we've lost you. So if for you, if you are knowing that you have a pending case going, know that Social Security won't necessarily know where you are. At minimum, if you're on your own, make sure to go to a local Social Security office and maybe get a status update of your case. They may allow you to continue your case if you had been denied and didn't know about it. So there are a lot of legal issues here, particularly involving notice of denials, that come into play. So if you want help from a law firm that cares, and that's Hoglund Law Offices, please feel free to call our offices at 1-800-850-7867. You can also find us on hoglundlaw.com. And good luck, and hopefully you're able to get the benefits that you need to be able to survive. Thank you.